PAU is a premier agriculture university of the country. The recent rankings of the ICR place it at the top of the list actually. The research mandate at PAU is supported through various fundings from the government, and the DST PERS project has been a big boost to our research efforts in recent years. We have had two phases of the PERS, first starting in 2011 and the second commencing in 2017. The first phase was largely devoted to the climate resilient technologies, be it new varieties or production technologies. And the second phase has been devoted to shifting our emphasis from productivity to nutrition.
This DST PERS project funding has come very timely, and it is very useful for the PAU wheat breeding program. The objective of this project is to develop wheat varieties with a combination of nutritional and use quality traits. So we all know that wheat is the staple diet of the Indian population, and improving its nutritional quality will be helpful in improving the health standards of the Indian population. So we have got generous funding to upgrade our laboratories, as well as we have got some additional working hands in this project.
I'm working on wheat, which is entitled by assessments of end-use quality on European winter wheat and spring wheat derivatives. Here I'm working lab works. So the project is helping us providing equipment and resources to do our research safely.
मेरा नाम दिनेश कुमार सैनी है। मैं मेरठ उत्तर प्रदेश का रहने वाला हूँ। इधर पंजाब एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी में मैं PhD कर रहा हूँ वीट सेक्शन में। और ये जो पर्स प्रोजेक्ट है DST का, इसे काफ़ी फंडिंग मिली है इधर यूनिवर्सिटी को, तो उसकी वजह से मैं अपनी रिसर्च अच्छे से कर पा रहा हूँ। जर्नल्स में पेपर भी पब्लिश किए जा सकते हैं। मीन्स जैसे कि इसके नाम से ही प्रतीत होता है पर्स, सो इट रियली प्रमोटिंग यूनिवर्सिटी रिसर्च एंड साइंटिफिक एक्सीलेंस।
मैं हरमीत ਸਿੰਘ PAU ਦੀ ਵੀਟ ਲੈਬ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੋਸਟ ਗ੍ਰੈਜੂਏਟ ਰਿਸਰਚਰ ਦੇ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦਾ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਮਸ਼ੀਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਪਾਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵੀਟ ਦਾ ਟਿਸ਼ੂ ਹੈ ਉਹਦੇ ਤੋਂ ਨਾਈਟ੍ਰੋਜਨ ਦੀ ਐਸਟੀਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਤੋਂ ਕਿ ਬਾਅਦ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪ੍ਰੋਟੀਨ ਦੀ ਮਾਤਰਾ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਪਤਾ ਲਾਇਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ।
My name is Dr. Lavleen Sarao and I work as a senior research fellow in this lab. Basically we do research on wheat. Here we do DNA isolations, DNA extractions, DNA amplifications. The funding provided by DST PERS has enabled us to take our research to the next level. With the contingency that we got from this project, we have been able to procure resources, and because of this we are getting at par with the global research.
मेरा नाम डॉक्टर सर्वजीत सिंह है। मैं यहाँ पंजाब कृषि विश्वविद्यालय में दालों का अनुसंधान पर काम कर रहा हूँ। जो भारत सरकार की स्वस्थ भारत की मुहिम है, उसके अंतर्गत हमें पर्स परियोजना में जो पैसा मिला है उससे हमें बहुत ही लाभ हुआ है। उसमें हमने चना, जिसको चिकपी, और दूसरी जो दालों की फसल है अरहर, जिसको हम पिजन पी भी कहते हैं, उसमें हमने ऐसी किस्में विकसित करने का कार्य प्रारंभ किया है कि उन किस्मों में जिंक और आयरन की मात्रा को बढ़ाया जा सके। सो हम उस पे कार्य कर रहे हैं और बहुत सारे हमने इसमें केमिकल इस परियोजना में ख़रीदे हैं।
मैं यहाँ पे PhD थर्ड ईयर का विद्यार्थी हूँ। हमारा काम यहाँ पे चने की जो गुणवत्ता है उसको बढ़ाने का है। हम यहाँ पे मेनली आयरन और जिंक की गुणवत्ता के ऊपर काम कर रहे हैं।
PhD in biochemistry, third year student. So currently I am using this oxalate apparatus. Now currently I am extracting crude oil from this instrument. So extraction of crude oil is very difficult, and this DBT funder project has helped us a lot, and now we are very happily working with that.
So myself, Dr. R.S. Gill, in charge Rice Section, Department of Plant Breeding and Genetics, PAU Ludhiana. So this funding which has been provided by the DST under the PERS projects has been really helpful to us in strengthening our rice research program. So the funding which has been provided for the purchase of equipments under this project has helped us to purchase some of the equipments which were really needed to us. In our rice quality lab, we have purchased two equipments. One is the spectrophotometer lying on the back side. And
I am currently working on nitrogen metabolizing enzymes on UV visible spectrophotometer.
Welcome to this Department of Soil Science. Here we are running a DST funded PERS project. dedicated for purchase of state-of-the-art equipments like gas chromatograph and UV visible spectrophotometer. And in addition, we bought some small instruments for enabling the PG students for doing high-end research, as well as these instruments are being used by the younger faculty for their research. And also about 15 lakh rupees were dedicated to infrastructure facility, in which we improved our classroom facilities and lecture room complex in Department of Soil Science.
Quantification of greenhouse gas emissions under different management practices in dry sweet system. This instrument, that is gas chromatograph, is used for the analysis of different greenhouse gases. This instrument is highly beneficial for studying greenhouse gases.
The instrument I was working is UV visible spectrophotometer. It is used for the measurement of the phosphorus, sulfur and the various other anions such as the nitrate also, and the readings we are getting from it are highly accurate comparative to the other instruments.
पर्स के इस प्रोजेक्ट के अधीन हमने घर में सब्जी उगाने के लिए अलग अलग वैराइटीज़ है जो वो ईजाद की है, और उन किस्मों को उगाने के लिए जो मीडिया चाहिए, जो कंटेनर साइज चाहिए और जो स्ट्रक्चर चाहिए उसको रखने के लिए वो भी स्टैंडर्डाइज़ किया है। इस प्रोजेक्ट को अपनाने से आम कंज्यूमर को ख़ास तौर पे शहरी इलाकों में जहाँ जो जगह की कमी है, सब्जी जो है जहर रहित उगा पाएंगे, और इस प्रोजेक्ट के अधीन आम कंज्यूमर को उसका बहुत लाभ होगा।
Rotary shaker and incubator is a very essential equipment so that we can do our cloning and vector works here.
We are using some of the instruments like incubator, laminar airflow, rotary shaker and the autoclave. We are using these instruments for the cloning of the genes, and I am very thankful to Department of Science and Technology.
So we have procured this machine, carbon dioxide incubator, which is sponsored by the Department of Science and Technology, Ministry of Science and Technology, New Delhi, under the PERS scheme. This machine has the potential to control carbon dioxide and the temperature. So what we do study the biology of the insects in this machine under the variant level of carbon dioxide and temperature. We can also calculate the different growth indices of the insect pest using this machine. So this is this machine is helping us a lot to conduct the studies on the insect pest management.
I am here to show the plant growth chambers funded by the DST. These chambers are used for the insecticide resistance against the various insect pests. We are using these chambers for the test insect as well as the test plant rearing.
Our plant bacteriology laboratory in the Department of Plant Pathology has been fortunate enough to receive the DST sponsored PERS grant twice, during the phase 1 as well as during the phase 2. So out of this grant, we have been able to strengthen our research on host pathogen interactions, especially under the future climate change scenario. So this grant also helped us to train our future generation of researchers in a better way. The facilities created out of this grant, they have been extensively used by our masters and doctorate students who are working on various aspects of pathogen population biology and developing holistic management packages for plant diseases.
Myself Ishwinder, currently I am pursuing PhD in plant pathology. So the entire infrastructure facilities which was granted and funded by PERS led me to pursue all the research activities in PhD programs, and 9 research publications are yet to be reviewed, and they all are under pipeline. So I thank PERS for granting all the infrastructure facilities.
I'm a PhD final year student, and my research topic is characterization of citrus screening pathogen, which is a serious problem under Punjab condition in citrus fruits. So I am working here, and there are different instruments which are very helpful for me for conducting my research, like gel dox apparatus and electroporation unit.
As you know that in the present time, advanced analysis that are the prime requirement of your research, and for that 4 equipments including dehumidimeter,
NIR analyzer, water purification system, and the DOE lab like rheometer. It tells about the rheological properties of the food, and rheology means the study of the flow and the deformation of the material. DOE lab is there. It tells about the dough strength and what amount of water is required for dough. For that we have a DOE lab. For all this equipment that has been funded by the DST.
Project has affected actually both the direction and the pace of technology development at PAU, and I'm sure this is going to show its impact in the coming years. And my sincere gratitude for the support received under this series of projects, and we keenly look forward to further opportunities in this regard. Thank you.